It's turning a nice shade of brown now. That's almost ready for the added extras. It's just, yes, I know it's hideously decadent. It's chocolate and cream and nothing else, apart from a slight hint of butter. Still not quite done, it's still a bit lumpy in places. But it's definitely time to just drop the heat a little. Because we don't need it getting any hotter, we just want to maintain this kind of level of heat. It'll save us from scorching the bottom of the pan and getting a kind of burnt bit in your mixture. Never good. Of course you should smell it. It does smell rich and chocolatey. It's almost like the best hot chocolate you've ever had. Now, to this, I should take it off the heat. So I'll just turn off the heat because this is going to be a very quick bit. Take the mixture from earlier, a kind of vague cake mix, and spoon it in. And we just turn the heat back on. Keep it fairly low. Just want to give this a gentle mix. We're going to melt it into the mixture gently. It'll look a little bit lumpy, and then it'll smooth out. You can see the dark streaks appearing just as everything's kind of melting in. That's the extra richness from the butter and the egg yolk. And the flour's going to thicken it a little. The sugar's just going to take off the edge of what is actually quite a bitter chocolate. Oh, silly me. I knew I forgot something. About now is the time you add your various ingredients. Personally, I would add a random bunch of things, possibly Grand Marnier, possibly Baileys, depending on really what kind of mood I'm in. Today, I'm going to be slightly cruel, and I'm going to add a nice amount of chopped hazelnuts. Handheld food processor. It's quite nice, you don't over chop anything. You're in complete control at every single step for it. So, you fold the hazelnuts into the mix. You can see it's getting thicker. And that is actually ready. Nice and fairly simple on real time. And this is our cake mixer, well, our base from earlier. It's nice and solid, it's set quite well. And all we do is we take the chocolate mix and just spoon it in. There we go. Now, if I was an arty-farty chef, I would bother rippling or doing something vaguely sensible for adjusting the presentation. I'm not. I'm a home cook. I will cook at home exactly how I like it. And besides, if it's too neat, nobody will ever believe that you did it yourself. So, there we go. That is a chocolate cake. Pretty much finished. Just needs to be put in the fridge once it's cooled down a little bit more. And there we go.